Hello everyone, Lauren here, the Mondays at Racine nutritionist. Today I'm going to discuss some immune boosting and delicious smoothies that you can make right at home with affordable nutrient dense ingredients. If you have fresh ingredients in the fridge, they're going to work as well, but I like to remind people that frozen fruits and vegetables will really also work well for your smoothie to make a cold delicious treat. Frozen items are going to last longer, obviously, and they provide the same nutritional value as fresh ingredients. They're often more affordable. You can get a bulk bag of frozen organic blueberries for about half the cost of an organic container of blueberries. And some people find that using frozen veggies or berries will provide a nicer consistency similar to that of a milkshake. Red bell peppers are an item that you probably won't find frozen unless you buy the 3-colored pepper bag, but they would also work well in a smoothie. Red bell peppers in particular have twice as much vitamin C as a citrus fruit. They have a mild flavor, so they can be added to many different smoothie recipes. Broccoli is also really antioxidant rich, and for smoothies I would suggest using broccoli florets only. Spinach and kale, as you probably know, are extremely nutrient dense. They're loaded with folate, packed with antioxidants, and have tons of vitamin C. You can use a variety of fruit for your smoothies, including apples, peaches, bananas, pineapple, kiwi, papaya, whatever you have on hand. But today I specifically want to highlight berries because they have so many benefits and are always readily available in the frozen section of your grocery store near the dessert. The 4 common berries that we consume, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries, are all really low in dietary sugar and can actually improve your blood sugar. They're high in fiber and they're a perfect sweet treat for people that have diabetes. They help fight inflammation and have nutrients that are good for our skin. They're also high in vitamin C. Cranberries can also be added to the list because they have a variety of nutrients and they flush out harmful bacteria that causes urinary tract infections, but they sometimes make a smoothie a little more tart than other berries that I've discussed, so if that's something that doesn't agree with you, I wouldn't suggest doing that, but if you like that kind of sourish taste, you can throw a few cranberries in there for an added nutrient benefit. You can increase the creamy consistency of your smoothie with yogurt, and if you can't do dairy, there are a lot of dairy-free options available now as well. Kefir is a yogurt beverage that is loaded with probiotics and is high in protein. Almond, cashew, coconut, or regular dairy milk will also work. You can also add in a nut butter or a banana. I typically freeze my bananas that I don't use so that I have them on hand in the freezer when I need them for a smoothie. A simple smoothie recipe that you could try is a cup of frozen raspberries, a 1/4 cup of frozen blueberries, 1 cup of frozen spinach or kale, and a 1/4 cup of plain unsweetened dairy-free milk or maybe yogurt. Blend it until it's a desired consistency, and optionally, if you'd like to boost your omega-3, you can throw in some chia seeds. If you have diverticulitis, it's not suggested to add the chia seeds, and also it would be better to avoid raspberries because of the seeds, but you can substitute the raspberries for a different kind of fruit. A green smoothie recipe that you could try is a 1/2 cup of frozen broccoli florets, 1 banana peeled, preferably frozen, 1 cup of frozen mango chunks, 3/4 cup of frozen strawberries, 1/3 cup of frozen spinach, a 1/2 cup of filtered water, and you combine all the ingredients until smooth. If you want a smoother consistency, add a little water or a dairy-free milk and continue to puree. Try out a variety of combinations until you find something that you like. During treatment, don't be afraid to try things that you previously didn't like, as your taste buds might have changed. You can also add in protein powder to make your smoothie a whole meal. If you have any questions about this presentation or about any nutrition-related information, never hesitate to reach out to me. You can email me at laurenande@gmail.com or give me a text or call anytime. I hope to see you all soon. Stay well.